Good ideas, real impact, a better future. Discover 5 practical ways to use AI for good and lead with possibility on NPTV.AI.
First, use AI to learn, unlock knowledge, master new skills faster, and grow every day. Know more, be more. Second, use AI to save time. Automate repetitive busy work and focus on what truly matters. Save time, live better. Third, use AI to solve problems. Gain smarter insights, spot roadblocks early, and make confident choices. Solve today, succeed tomorrow. Fourth, use AI to help people. Combine empathy with technology to support others and strengthen your community. Help others, change lives. Fifth, use AI to create opportunities. Turn ideas into reality. Dream big and download your free 10-way guide at peoplehelp.ai today.